Dear students, the students of class 7th, I welcome you all for this new academic year, and let us begin our academic year with our English subject, as you might have already began your studies. So this is our first chapter of our English syllabus. So let us have a look on the first page of your book. Since this book is new for you all, so please see that this book you afford it. If you can get it from your old friends, it will be very good. And if you are not able to get it also from them, because since it is a lockdown, you cannot move out from your house, so there is no problem, since I have already uploaded this whole chapter in this book. So this is a book here, New Melbury English course for the class 7th. Now after this we shall go to the second. Here are the chapters. Here are the chapters for you, so you can go in detail. The first chapter today, what we shall begin today, the very first chapter, the three questions, written by, who is the author here? Leo Tolstoy. So we shall begin today, our first day of the class of English Melbury. So let us begin our studies. Now here is the first chapter, the three questions. Now this is the first chapter, the three questions here. I have already written here. Read the whole chapter and do it. This exercise has to be done by yourself. You can go through this whole exercise, you have to do it yourself. So this is a little homework for you dear students. But after reading the whole chapter, since I have already uploaded this whole chapter in your video, so you can go through the chapter, then only you can do it. So here is a question here, which of these is not a 3? Take the correct answer. So here the columns are given here, so you have to give the tick. Only that much work you have to do. So here up to 7, all these 7 you have to do. Okay, after this, now here begins your first chapter. Let us let us read. Let us begin from here. Let us read a story about a king who sought answers to the three questions. Now there is a king who has three questions. Which are these three questions? Now here I have already given the underline mark here. All these three from here. So first one, now the king is saying that the king believes only that he will be successful only if he knew this question's answer. If someone gives him the right answer and he's fully satisfied, then he says, if I get these three questions answer, I will be a successful man in life. Now after this, the after having these three questions in his mind, what the king is doing, now he makes the announcement, and with a great reward, and he is telling anyone who gives the answer, satisfactory answer to these questions, the king will give a reward. So now after this, now when somebody gives you a prize for doing something, gift, you will be very eager to complete that work or task. Now here the wise men came to the king, but they all gave different answer. Now who all have come to the king? The wise men, and they are giving all different answers. The first one is saying that some says that to know the right time for every action, there one should know for the right one should know the time for every right action. One must draw in advance the table of days, months and years, and after planning it out, you should follow it strictly. Now what he says that when you want to do something in life, you have to plan out, not only for the days, it should be for the months, years, and after planning it out, you should spend your time with that timetable what you have made it. Now others say that it was impossible to decide beforehand. Now they are telling beforehand we cannot decide all this to do the right time for every action. We cannot decide that this time I will be doing the right action. So the others saying that hence one should always do one's duty instead of wasting the time in idleness. Now others what they say, the king should have a council. Now what is the meaning of council here? Now what is the meaning of council? Now this is a little homework for you dear students. You will find out this meaning, though it is given in the book down there after the chapters, each page, after each page. But still, for your general knowledge more, you can go through your dictionary and please find out the word meaning of the words which I underline and give to you. Wise councils of wise men. Now he is telling there should be a group of people who can help to form the proper time for everything. Now the king is not satisfied. Now the king is not satisfied with all this answer. Now he says, now equally various were the answers of the second questions. Now equally were the answers same for the second questions. Now he says some said that the counselors were the most important people. Now counselor, who is a counselors here? The meaning of counselor is a member of council, a group of wise people should be there, like priest. Others said doctors, and some said the warriors. And warriors are the most necessary. Now also the king is not satisfied with the answers of this wise men. Now to the third questions, what he says. What was the most important occupation? Some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said the skill of welfare. And others said again that the religious worship. Now all these three things are told by different people. Now all these three things are told by different people. Now after this, the king says all the answers were so different that the could now all the answers were so different that the king could not agree with it, and he could not reward to anyone, but still he wished to find the correct answer. Now still he had the desire that he should get the correct answers from someone who is wise enough. Now he decided to consult a hermit. Now the king is deciding, now the king decides to consult a hermit. Now he is thinking, he's singing the hermit, widely renowned. Now, widely renowned, what is the meaning of renowned here? Now, what is the meaning here? Famous and respected. The hermit, what is the meaning of hermit here? A person who usually, for religious reasons, lives in a very lonely place. You might have seen the religious around. Now, the hermit lived in the forest, and what does the king do now to meet this hermit? Hermit means this sadhu. Now what does the king do to meet this hermit? Now what he is he doing? Now he's now after that the hermit lived in a forest which he never left, and he welcomed only the common flock. So before reaching the hermit's cottage, now the king put on the simple clothes, got off his horse, and leaving behind his bodyguards, and went alone. Now he became a simple man in order to meet a simple man again. When he goes close to the hermit, goes close to the sadhu, he says that the sadhu is digging and working hard, and he wishes this king, says all good afternoon in their language, maybe in their manners, way of namaste and all, wishing him just a good wishes, greeting him. And after then he starts digging again. Now after digging, when he sees the hermit is very frail. What is the meaning of frail here? Very weak. But still, each time he struck his spade into the ground, he turned a little earth and he breathed heavily. Now he is so much tired after working hard. Now what he do here? He is still continuing his work. Now here one question is given to you here in next question. On what did the learned men got agree? What reply would you give to each of these questions? This is the first question, and this is the second question here. So, okay, now after this, now You can see the king here in a simple dress. This is the king here in simple clothes. Now, the hermit was digging the ground in front of the hut, in front of his hut. Now, seeing the king, he greeted him and went on working once again. Now, the king went up to him and said, I have come to you to you wise hermit. Now, what does this king calls him? The wise hermit, Buddhiman Sadhu. Now he has brought all those three questions. Now, which are those three questions here? How I learned to do the right thing at the right time, and who who are the people who are the people I need the most. The second one is here, the most I need the most, and what work is the most important and needs my attention first. The hermits now he's listening to the king very carefully, but he's still continuing his work, and the king is saying that you are very tired. Let me help you later. So he gives the spade to him, and then he sits under the tree, and the king is again asking him, but he doesn't give any reply. Now, what is the reaction of the king? Now, the king says, now the king is saying, 1 hour passed. Now, almost 1 hour is over. The sun is now began to sink behind the trees, and the king at last struck the spade into the ground and said, I have come to you, I have come to you, wise man. Now he's calling him wise man. Now, before he called him wise hermit, and he's calling wise man for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, tell me so that I may return home. Now the king is telling, if you are not able to give me the answers to my questions which I have asked you, and I have come from so far, so this king is asking, reminding him again that I have asked you for something. Please answer me. If you are not able to answer me, tell me so that I may go home back. So, dear students, as I have downloaded this whole chapter in your book here, this is the hermit, and this is the whole chapter here. This is the third question, index question. The whole chapter is here, you can see on your screen. And after this, please read all this, the whole chapter. This is for your homework. Read the chapter and learn this all the word meanings. Please write down in your notebook, write down and read this whole chapter. Now again you can find the whole chapter I have placed before you. So please go through this whole chapter. I don't want you only to read how much I have explained to you, but I want you to read the whole chapter. This here, the whole chapter is here. So you can go through again. Again, the index question is here. Go through the whole chapter once again. Now, as you read this chapter, try to understand what is the story between of this king. Which are those three questions he wants to know the correct answer to live his life. Now, here, who is the author of this chapter? Tolstoy. He was born in 1828 and he lived up to 1910, and he was a famous Russian author, the master of realistic fiction. You can read this also. So, dear students, know about the author also. It is very good who has written this. After this, the again word meanings are here. Please learn this also. Write down in your notebook. After this, little homework. Dear students, a king had a faith that if he answers all three questions, he would be a successful man in life. Now these are the three questions here I have put up. So please find out the answers according to you. Now The answers will be there according to the wise men for the king. Now, what if the king comes to ask you the same questions? What answer will you give to that king? So, I want you to work on it yourself. So, this is your homework. So, this answer should be yours, not from the book, your own. So, please write down in your rough book for your understanding. How will you answer a king? One who comes to ask you these three questions, what will you give answer? Now here the king, the sadhu will give answer, but I want to know your answer for the king. So dear students, please go through this chapter once again and read this whole chapter. Please read this whole chapter here so that you may understand well what does this chapter says. Then again read this, understand this is the king here has worn the simple clothes and has come to meet the hermit now here. So you can go through this chapter again, dear students. Work hard. This is the first chapter, so I need you to read this chapter and understand the whole story. So when I complete this chapter in second part, now this is the first part. I am explaining only the half chapter, and I have given you the word meanings. So please learn the word meanings and find out all. These are the three questions here and word meanings. And I have given you the homework. What? How will you? How will you answer the king? How will you answer the king if the king comes to ask you these three questions? Now here the questions are given to you, so you have to answer in your own words. What will be your answer? Again, I am reminding, don't give me the answers from the book. I want your answer. If the king comes to ask you the same questions, how are you going to answer the king? So students, all the best, do well and work hard.